Good day to everybody who's watching this video. This is my dissertation B presentation on data analytics for mild cognitive impairment MCI for elderly towards precision aging with predicted model using machine learning technique. The content for today will be more focused on chapter 4 results, demo and conclusion. And when we look back again on the aim and objective that's set earlier when we started to carry out the research and studies on this project, to investigate the descriptive analytics on the longitudinal study on neuroprotective model for healthy longevity LRGS for development of machine learning. Second, to develop precision prediction. Third, to develop analytic system for precision aging by early detection of MCI and to create machine learning technique by monitoring the lifestyle of an aging person. Scope still the same. This is the basic flow chart of a machine learning technique that have been used and practiced in to get the outcome for this research. The results and the raw data. The data has been collected and kept by my aging institute at UPM, whereby it consists of UPM questionnaires and UKM questionnaires, which includes from 0 month, 18 months, 36 months, which is kept in SPSS data, which is kept in SPSS database, which is 654,700 kilobits bytes. And the result from here, we have taken the data from SPSS, we converted it to Excel format. And for these studies, only 0 month attributes are selected. We have eliminated 18 months and 36 months data. And since our studies is only to detect or to predict early MCI, we are only going to use MMSC. Therefore, MMSC data was taken, whereby when we check MMSC data, it has 39 missing values attributes. Therefore, from total of 2,315 attributes, we are only going to use 2,276 attributes. And we have converted this SPSS data into Excel format. And earlier we had a lot of problems when we convert a big size of data from SPSS to Excel. We have a lot of missing data, missing values. So we have to do one by one and with a fairly calculated using Excel format. And in here, to fill up the missing data, the first clusters with yellow background is the original data. Then the green background is the working column, and the purple background is the final value for the range, which is the range all we have obtained from the relevant journals and from my aging. We are looking at this. And we use that clean data from Excel using a rapid miner, and we have used naive Bayes and digital tree auto model to find what is the accuracy and the classification error in the database we have provided. And looks like accuracy naive Bayes is 64.1, and classification errors also lower. And to move on further, whether how to go about it, I've included another way of, not to say another way, another uh, test to get this accuracy and classification error. And we have used the random forest as to check on the performance. And this is the summary data set we have given for data set training. When looked at it, when we're training between 20 to 80 to 20 ratio, decision tree has a highest accuracy. And when we are talking about 70 to 30, naive Bayes has a higher accuracy, when 60-40 random forest has the highest accuracy. Next, we move on to the model weight. Naive Bayes gives highest weight in living status, and second, a decision tree gives household income, and forest random forest gives the household income as the highest weight. Therefore, when we move on, we have selected 7 attributes based on to predict early MCI for an elderly. We have used Streamlit MCI prediction application, and the 7 attributes are gender, age, state, education level, living status, satisfaction of life scale, and household income. And we are looking at a screenshot of the application, and let's see the demo. Okay, let's look at the result. Demo on Streamlit MCI prediction application. See, this is how our MCI prediction page will look like. I meant the application. Mild cognitive impairment MCI early prediction application. We are looking at my aging early MCI prediction. First, the select of the state. Let's say the person stays in Selangor. And second, the gender, say it is still male. And we are looking at the age of the person. For our studies, we are looking at from 60 to 92 years old. Say we are looking at 68 years old. And the living status, we are looking at whether they are living with others or alone. Let's say we are selecting here alone. And what are the highest education level that person has gone or studied? Here, let's say we are looking at a diploma level, and the condition of my life are excellent. I mean, this is based on the person who's answering these questions, whether agree, disagree, or stands neutral. So let's say we are looking at agree that they are having, or she is having, or he is having a good life that is excellent. Let's say the household income is say 1,619 ringgit. So these are the selection option. Given inputs, we are looking at state, gender, age, living status, education level, and satisfaction of life. However, there's an error in this application. However, we should get a prediction on MCI. This we are looking at the application of Streamlit MCI prediction. We'll move on to next level. We are looking at the chapter 5 conclusion. Uh, these are the parts, important parts. Based on the result and experiment carried out, the objective to predict MCI has been achieved using machine learning technique. Yes, that we have achieved. Early detection, but however, the Streamlit program, the web is not working well. And however it is, and with this, it's confirmed that early detection can save life and also cost on MCI patient treatment and care. And an elderly person who does not know that he or she has MCI, they can uh, get to know easily with this application whether they're having a predicted early MCI or not. So the risk of fall will be lesser, and this new application of new cost effective and easy use application can predict early detection, whereby an elderly also can escape from the trauma of a blood test and MRI and all the latest equipment tests. What is the future work? The latest update of dataset without missing value is very important. And for this machine learning technique. And Further, future research future research will focus on enhancing the model for capturing MCI affected brain regions using smart watches or future IoT devices to detect MCI related impairment. There are a lot of latest gadgets, electronic watches, IoTs that helps this. And a special thanks and gratitude to everybody who helped me to come up to this level and manage to complete the research and write up this dissertation. Thank you so much, and hopefully there'll be a lot of questions, and I can answer from my knowledge of research from here. Thank you so much to listening to my dissertation B presentation. Thank you, thank you, thank you.